Alright, here we are bringing you some of the 1988 chewing gum baseball cards from Topps. Okay, now this is 1988. Let's start right here. James Steels for the Padres. Rob Welch for the Dodgers. Robbie Wine for the Astros. Kirby Puckett for the Twins. And of course we have the checklists. They all count in the cards. Tony Bernanzard for the Athletics. Tom Cadiotti for the Indians. Ray Knight for the Orioles. Bruce Husk for the Red Sox. Steve Jeltz for the Phillies. Jim Gott for the Pirates. Johnny Grubb for the Tigers. Gary Matthews for the Mariners. Jesse Barfield for the Blue Jays. Jerry Brownie for the Rangers. Mitch Webster for the Expos. Chris Bozio for the Brewers. Brian Dayette for the Cubs. Dennis Rasmussen for the Reds. Chuck Tanner, he was the manager for the Braves. Greg Matthews for the Cardinals. Donnie Hill for the White Sox. Don Scusi for the Mets. Buddy Bell for the Reds. Greg Minton for the Angels. These right here were the leaders for the Royals. Andy Van Skyl for the Pirates. Mickey Tetelton for the Athletics. Don Gordon for the Indians. Bill Madlock for the Tigers. Donnie Nixon for the Mariners. Bill Buckner for the Angels. Camilo Martinez for the Padres. I say that all real fast. Ken Howell for the Dodgers. Eric Davis for the Reds. Bob Nieper for the Astros. Jody Reed for the Red Sox. Johnny Habryan for the Orioles. Jesse Stone for the Phillies. Bruce Sutter for the Braves. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed my bringing these to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and by all means, share with other fans the great game of baseball. here we are with another season. So these are the 88s. Big players in 1988. So stay tuned for more because there's a lot more to this collection. Bye-bye now.